visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung ano nangyayari sa paligid-ligid at tingnan natin kung anong chismis or update sa buhay ninyo. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Alright? And I want you to know to please believe in the divine timing. Because whenever you found this message, the message is also meant to find you. So magsimula na tayo. Either naiinip tayo or gusto nating bilisan ang takbo ng mga pangyayari. It felt like nandito yung longing natin, na makadaupang palad na natin si person. Whether it is nakita na natin sila in person before or this is the first time, nandun na yung decidido na ako, willing ako may mangyari sa amin. And this is actually making love, There's actual desire for your body, to long for that person and to unite with them, So, feeling ko sobrang tindi ng emotions natin dito. It's not just lust, it's also love. Parang feeling mo kayo talaga yung tinadhana para sa isa't isa. And kung bibigyan lang talaga ng pagkakataon, you would love to bilisan. Either meron kang hinahabol na oras, 'di ba? Kasi pag kung lalo na kung babae ka, 'di ba? Kung babae ka, alam mo na may expiration date ang ovaryo ng babae, 'di ba? Hindi katulad yung ng lalaki kahit thunders na, puti-puti na yung buhok basta tumatayo pa, basta kaya pang bumira, pwede, Ang babae kasi may expiration date. So, are you parang meron kang hinahabol? Or baka ang hinahabol natin dito, kaysa makahanap siya ng iba, unahan ko na. Hindi naman ito sa word na pikot, wala naman ito sa vocabulary natin. You just wanted to have like security, siguro, kapag may anak siya, siguro yun yung naiisip natin. Pero hindi lahat ganun nangyayari, na porket nagkaanak na that's actually a security, For some, it worked, But for some, hindi rin naman. So, mag-ingat-ingat tayo sa mga ganong klaseng ideology dahil, again, ang mga tao, kanya-kanyang path ng buhay nila yan. And their strategy probably worked on them. But because it worked on them, it's not going to work for you. All right? Let's go back to the reading with the Two of Pentacles. But your heart is doubting. Is this your person wanted para bilisan yung mga pangyayari tapos ikaw yung nagda-doubt? Whoever this is, you can switch the energies. Whether kung ikaw, itong nagmamadali, so si person medyo nagda-doubt. Medyo gusto niyang bagalan ng kabahagya. Kung ikaw naman, kung si person naman yung nagmamabilis, ikaw ngayon parang gusto mong bagalan ng bahagya. So, again, switch the roles if you need to. The Emperor and the Ace of Swords. So, nakikita natin dito kasi you want to see growth first. Growth when it comes to wisdom probably. No, hindi natin sinasabing bobo si person. Gusto lang natin ng nakakikitaan siya ng visions in life, no, maturities in life, no. Um, Pwede rin gusto nating makakita ng will, no, kay person na baka kasi si person is happy-go-lucky, mapaglaro. So I'm not going to build a family with a person who's parang parang dadagdag siya sa magiging anak ko, no? Para akong mag-aalaga ng panibagong bata. So manganganak na nga ako ng sarili kong anak, tas aalagaan ko pa siya, wherein hindi ko naman siya magiging partner, no? Para to raise the kid, parang double whammy, no? Nagkaanak na ako, magkakaanak pa ako. Um, para kang manganganak dito ng kambal. So you want someone na meron kang katuwang, no? With the Seven of Pentacles. So you are actually waiting for that someone. So this could be that your person is the one um who wanted, no, to make this situation a little faster. And with the Seven of um Pentacles, ikaw yung merong inaantay sa kanya. You're probably waiting for your person to actually do something right. Make things a little more um pwede natin sabihin ditong ano uh a little mature, no? With the Eight of Pentacles, probably siguro sinasabi mo dito, wala kang ng trabaho. Baka mamaya, maghanap ka muna ng trabaho or ng stable job or ng stable source of income bago mo hingin sa akin yung bumuo ng isang family, no? You have to be a responsible parent, ha? Unang-una, kung hindi mo kaya, no? Again, this is just my perspective in life. This is my 2 cents. You can throw away my 2 cents if you don't agree. Hindi tayo magkaaway. I'm just explaining, no? Kung hindi mo kayang buhayin yung sarili mo with your own hand, huwag ka nang gumawa pa ng isa pang buhay. Kasi kawawa yung bata, 'di ba? Kawawa yung magiging anak nyo na ikaw na nga hindi mo na mapakain yung sarili mo, gagawa ka pa ng isang buhay tapos hindi mo rin mapapakain. Hindi naman hiningi ng bata na isilang siya dito, no? That's actually your choice. And as a responsible parent, 'di ba? You should be dahil gagawa ako ng isang anak, no? Um, I should give that child a better opportunity, a better life, no? Kasi yun nga, mali ang mentality ng Pinoy, 'di ba? Gagawa ng bata para may makatuwang, no, sa sa pag-unlad. Walang mali kung yung bata ay gustong tumulong, 'di ba? Thank you. Pero it's not an obligation din kasi, no? Wag nating obligahin. Anyway, that's actually a long, discussions. Pero ang my point here is we have to be very responsible, no? Kung tayo'y um, gagawa ng bata, no? Ayan. With the Temperance. So it felt like, sige, pagbibigyan kita, pero I feel like meron ka dito mga lihim na gagawin. Are you taking pills? Or sige, mag-make love tayo. Pero, let's do protections, no? Um, hindi muna, hindi ko muna ito ibibigay, the family per se that you're asking, if hindi kita nakikitaan ng maturity, if hindi kita nakikitaan ng kaya mo with your own 2 feet, no? Kasi sayang, kawawa yung bata, kawawa ako, kawawa ka, kawawa tayong dalawa, kawawa yung relationship natin. So, I think that this is where you're probably just going to have, okay, sige, if that's sex that you want, then sige, we can. Pero giving you a child, I think that we have to focus on your maturity first, your stability first, and then Hindi ko naman sinasabing ayaw ko habang buhay, no? Ayaw ko lang for now. There's actually a lot of a lot of factors, ayan, to 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 check prior building a family with you, no? Mahal mo naman si person, that's hindi naman yun issue. You're just being practical and also having concern with your child. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if you do have some personal questions, there is a link in the description box, no? Sa video na ito, may description box. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, I'm sorry. May acid reflux tayo. Kung napapansin nyo, no, hirap tayo magsalita. Parang gasgas yung lalamunan ko. Anyway, yeah. If you want to do some private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check now the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pwede ring lumabas ang zodiac sign ninyo. Gemini, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.